10 4 15 103.
146 to 97.
2319.
587.
587.
Myself, 83, 81, code 7, Dennis 100.
10 4 23 20.
319, 97, copy that.
Go right ahead.
53603, 53603, north side house.
10 4 2320. CDL units, copy a Bolo reference to theft just occurred. It's going to be at Chichi Rodriguez Golf Course, 3030 North McMullen on the back side of it, near Landmark. Somebody tried to steal a trampoline. They left it on the golf course because they couldn't get it in their white SUV. They left northbound on Landmark. It was a white male driver, 18 to 19 years of age. ETA is probably about 10-minute time lapse now. End of Bolo 2321.
146, 566.
566.
66. You say the female was going to another unit here in the complex.
Yeah, I think she's 97 back at the apartment.
33777.
2322.
641 in custody.
10 4 2324.
Yes,
Roger. 318 code 4.
Go for it.
2324. 150, and I need you for that theft that occurred somewhere in the area of Chi-Chi's. The trampoline got left on the golf course. It's on the Landmark side. 829 code 4.
Go for it. 565, just jump
10 for all units. 2326. 135 code 4.
Roger.
2327.
147.
147.
51 of the subs, one adult female, 1015. Starting mileage 79618.
At 2327. 408. 408. Just advise holding a large juvenile party, complaint, a welfare check, and a keep the peace, and the closing of Yellow Beach.
520, give us that juvenile from you.
10 4.
408, where's the keep the peace?
On Range Road, but that one's not a big concern because the complainant won't even be there for about another 10 minutes to meet us there. She was coming from a ways off.
149, is this the same lady from last night?
It didn't work last night, I don't know.
Yeah, myself 47 went out there for a keep the peace. She was coming from like Brooksville or Asheville or something.
10 4, it's the same unit, same apartment number as Keep the Peace last night.
10 4, we never really could find the exact unit address and she never showed up, so that's so bad.
10 4.
523, we didn't get that call via red number.
10 4, you should be attached to it.
408, copy that. 408, do you still want us to go out to Range Road?
She did call wanting us to meet us out there, but she wasn't even going to be there for about another 10 to 15. She should be there in about 10 minutes now.
Okay, give me the address.
10 4. She's going to be at the corner of Range and Belcher with her flashers on. She'll be sitting in a Dodge Stratus 4-door lavender in color, going to 2125 Range Road from there, apartment 17 or unit 17. 10 4 2331. 565.
You can send that to me also, I'll take it.
10 4.
348, 10-7, good night.
10 4, good night, 2331.
135.
135.
98 with DUI citation.
10 4. Copy a welfare check on Rainbow. 1977 Rainbow, 1977 Rainbow, apartment number 4. Phoned in by Rachel Padilla from Texas Break. We need to check and see if a Kurt Beauchamp is there, and code 4. She got a call from a phone company stating that he had been deceased. And as far as she knows, he's still living, and she doesn't want to tell the family until she knows for sure. She's unable to get a hold of him.
Okay. I'll put that on hold for just 1 second. Past church over here on Nursery, we got extra patrol and there's about juveniles in the back. We'll swing by there. I'll give you some miracle in a minute. Then I'll head up to that Rainbow call.
10-4, no problem.
On 135.
135.
Yeah, unit church, floor 2465. Nursery.
10-4, 2335.
Roy 1097, 20.
10-4, 2336. Go ahead.
97, ending at 623.
2336.
350 City, 107.
2339. 149 units, code 4.
Code 4.
2340. 2341. 408.
Did you say, is another unit around here?
10-4, 565, sliding up your way. He's on Hercules, coming up on range now.
318, code 4, switching as well.
At 2342.
5, Rev Sergeant West, go to 14. Copy.